Welcome back. Remember, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is already now the longest serving non-Congress Prime Minister in the country, will be addressing the country on Independence Day from the ramparts of Red Fort. But it will be under the shadow of coronavirus. And many believe that the Prime Minister could make some kind of an announcement on an indigenous coronavirus vaccine, as several Indian vaccine contenders continue to show promising results. The latest is that the Bharat Biotech vaccine could begin the next phase of trials from September. Let's take a look at what is being called the hunt in India for the coronavirus vaccine and what the Prime Minister could well be announcing in his Independence Day speech.
As the world races to find a vaccine for coronavirus, India isn't lagging behind. The first phase of human trials are nearly complete for India's own COVID vaccine contender, Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. The results so far are promising.
In all these subjects, I can say side effects were very minimum or almost no side effect, except some minor pain at the injection site, which is common with any injection, and also some mild fever or some nausea vomiting, that's all.
And there have been no major side effects of the vaccine?
No major side effect except these mild signs and symptoms were there.
AIIMS in Delhi recruited 16 candidates for the vaccine's first phase trials, and now it plans to pick even more candidates for phase 2, which is scheduled to begin in the first week of September.
अगर हमने आज एक वैक्सीन लगाई है तो हमें 28 दिन के बाद पता लगेगा कि वो कितनी काम कर रही है या नहीं कर रही है। तो वो 28 दिन को तो कोई भी किसी भी तरह से साइंटिफिकली कम नहीं कर सकता, तो वो पीरियड कोई कम नहीं कर रहा है। तो 28 दिन के बाद ही पता लग रहा है कि वो कितनी इफेक्टिव है। तो जो रेगुलेटरी पार्ट है उसमें टाइम की कटौती की गई है, लेकिन जो साइंटिफिक पार्ट है उसमें टाइम की कटौती कहीं नहीं करी गई है।
And that's not all. The Serum Institute of India, which has the regulatory approval to conduct phase 2 and 3 trials of a vaccine developed by the University of Oxford and AstraZeneca, the COVID Shield, intends to start human trials in less than 2 weeks.
SII has gone a step ahead in conducting phase 2 and 3 human trials of Oxford vaccine. It has got a go-ahead by DCGI, that is Drug Controller General of India, and now Serum Institute of India has approached 17 hospitals throughout the country. It is going to conduct these phase 2 and 3 trials on 1600 healthy volunteers.
Similarly, phase 1 trials of Zycov-D, vaccine made by Zydus Cadila, are also complete. Now, trials will be conducted on 1,000 healthy participants in Ahmedabad.
Not just the Russia vaccine, Bharat Biotech's vaccine is also moving at a charted pace. The first and most important thing is to assess safety to a large extent. Safety has been assessed in the first phase of the trials, where more than 375 candidates were given a vaccine shot. And surely, with the initial results showing a ray of hope, India is moving to phase 2, which is likely to begin in the first week of September. With Parminder Sharma, this is Milan Sharma for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.